Hey everyone, welcome back to English Explorers with Ridhima. In today's video, we are diving into the future. Well, the future tense, let's explore how we can talk about what hasn't happened yet, but will happen soon. Ready? Let's get started. In English, there are 4 primary ways to express the future tense. Each has its own unique way of showing different kinds of future actions. Let's break them down. First, we have the simple future tense. This is formed by using will followed by the base form of the verb. We use it to make spontaneous decisions, predictions, or state future facts. For example, I will help you with that. It will rain tomorrow. The meeting will start at 9 a.m. It's pretty straightforward and very common in everyday conversations. Next, we have the future continuous tense. This tense is formed with will be followed by the present participle, which is the verb ending in ing form. We use it to describe actions that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. For instance, this time, tomorrow, I will be traveling to you. They will be waiting for you at the station. It gives a sense of ongoing action. Now, let's talk about the future perfect tense. It's formed using will have, followed by the past participle of the verb. This tense describes actions that will complete it before a specific time in the future. It includes the examples like by next year, she will have graduated from college. We will have finished the project by the deadline. This tense is all about the completion before a future. Last, we have the future perfect continuous tense. This one is a bit longer, formed with will have been followed by the present participle. We use it to emphasize the duration of an action up to a specific point in the future. By the end of this month, I will have been working here for 5 years. They will have been living in the city for a decade by next summer. This tense is great for highlighting ongoing actions up to a future moment. So there you have it, a quick tour of the future tense in English. Whether you're making plans, predictions, or talking about ongoing actions, there is a future tense for most of the situations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more language tips. Stay updated and keep learning.